Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and opening this video. Today we are going to learn how to buy coin, mostly Binance Smart Chain coin, and those coins that are supported by Binance Smart Chain using the exchange called PANCAKESWAP. So PANCAKESWAP is one of the decentralized exchange where you can buy some coins. One of the coins that is very popular currently those what we call Binance Smart Chain coins. So we're going to learn how to buy them using PANCAKESWAP. So the procedure is simple, the steps is simple. First, make sure you know how to add coins. I've already explained in the previous video, so you can refer to this video how to add coins. So suppose today I have here my Moonrat, secured Moonrat coin. I would like to buy more from PANCAKESWAP. So the first procedure, you have to add the coin as I've already explained. Then to buy any coin from PANCAKESWAP, first you go to dApps. This is called dApps here. Then scroll down where it's written DFI. Then scroll on your right hand side. You will see something called PANCAKESWAP. So click PANCAKESWAP. This is one of the decentralized exchange. Once the exchange opens, make sure here is in smart contract. It is in smart chain, not Ethereum. So it should be in smart chain. Also here down, make sure your wallet is connected. So here, make sure your wallet is connected. Then if you scroll here down, we have from and to. From means you need to have BNB. Since we are buying a certain coin using this exchange of PANCAKESWAP, so you need to have BNB, some amount of BNB. Then here down you will have to add your coin. How do you add your coin on the PANCAKESWAP? So first you have to go to coinmarketcap.com. then search the coin that you want to buy from. So for example, I said I would like to buy Moonrat secured, so I write here secured Moonrat, this one. So the aim of going to secured Moonrat is to take the address. So I will scroll here down, I will take the contract address, Binance Smart Chain address here. I will copy it, then I will turn back to PANCAKESWAP. Here on selecting currency, I will have to add here this address. Once you add the address, so to give you the name of the coin. So once you have the name of the coin, it's advised to add it. If you add the coin, that means next time if you want to swap or to do anything, you not need maybe to go and take an address again. So it's necessary you add this coin to your PANCAKESWAP, so that once you need to do anything from your coin, the PANCAKESWAP will remember your coin. So this is the coin, I will select it. Then here I will write the amount of BNB I would like to spend so that I can buy secured Moonrat. So for example, I want to buy 0.0, maybe 0.0, maybe 3. So I want to buy Moonrat. So this is the amount of Moonrat I will get. So here down I will swap, then confirm swap, then I will approve. So once I approve, if I come here on Moonrat, you will see now I've already bought my coins. So my coins will be added. So it's processing here down. So let's wait. Okay, so my coins have already bought the secured Moonrat. So this is how to buy any coin, especially this Binance Smart Chain coins using PANCAKESWAP. I would like to also add something. When you are buying coin on PANCAKESWAP, make sure you set this one, we call it slippage tolerance. At first it will be written 0.8, so make sure you add it at least 11 or 12. So this is also very important. So simply this is how to buy coins using PANCAKESWAP. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.